Today class we're going to be working on fraction division word problems, and we've already got one up here on the board, and I'm going to read it. It says, Celie has 1.5 cups of berries. She is making muffins for a bake sale. Each recipe calls for 1/3 a cup of berries. How many batches of muffins can she make? Alright, so we know that we have to find a total, a number of things in groups, and the number of groups so that we can figure out what we're looking for. So we're going to read the first sentence. It says, Celie has 1.5 cups of berries. So that would be the total because she's got 1.5 cups of berries to make all the batches of muffins that she needs. So that would be the total. Alright, next we got to figure out if we have the number of things in each group. Well, right here it says each recipe calls for 1/3 a cup of berries. So that's how much that's in each group of muffins that she'll make. So that's the number of things in group. So that means that we're looking for the number of groups, how many batches of the muffins that she can make. So to figure this out, we're going to first write out the fractions, which are 1.5 cups and 1/3. So first, we need to figure out a common denominator so that we can put it on a double number line to help us figure it out. A double number line is going to help us see what matches the batches and the berries. So right here will be our berries, and this one will be our batches of muffins. Alright, so first we're going to change these and to find a common denominator so that they're equal. So this one right here, you're going to just change it like you change a mixed numeral. So you multiply 2 times 1, which is 2, add 1, which is 3, and you get 3/2. And then this one will still stay 1/3. So now the common denominator between 2 and 3 is 6. So you're going to multiply this by 2, and this by 2, and this one by 3, and this one by 3. And you're going to get 9/6 and 1/6. So that means that for one batch of cookies, you're going to have 2. No, this will be 2/6. So that means for one batch of cookies, you're going to have 2/6 of a cup of berries. So that means that right here, we're going to put 1 right here, because that stands for one batch of muffins. Then right here, that means since we've got 2/6 is how much is in each batch of cookies, how much berries are, you're going to write 2/6. Alright? So that means that if it takes 2/6 for one batch, it's going to take 2 more 6 for the next batch. So that means, so you're just going to double it. So for 4/6 berries, you're going to make 2 batches. Alright, so you're just going to keep adding 2 because it takes 2/6 to make one batch of cookies. So every time you add a batch, you're going to add another 2/6. So for 3 batches of cookies, we're going to make 6/6. Alright, for 4 batches of cookies, we're going to have 8/6. Alright, for 5 batches of cookies, we're going to have 10/6. Alright, so we only have 9/6 a cup of berries. So the 9/6 a cup of berries would come in between the 8/6 and the 10/6. This would be 9/6. So that means that the answer of batches would be directly below it, down here on this number line, which is directly between 4 and 5. So that means that that would be 4.5. So that means that Celie can make 4.5 batches of muffins with the 1.5 cups of berries that she started with. So that means that she can make 1.5 batches of muffins. So right here, that means the number of groups would be 4.5. Now to check and make sure our math is right, we're going to go back and we're going to solve it like you normally solve a fraction division problem. So we're going to do, you're going to have 1 1/2 divided by 1/3. And to divide fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. So you take this and you're going to multiply by 3/1. And this one we've already changed into a mixed numeral over here, and it's 3/2. So you multiply 3/2 by 3/1, and you're going to get 9 over 2. So then you're going to take 9 and divide it by 2. And you're going to get 2 into 9 will go 4 times, and that will be 8. And you get 4 1/2. So we can make sure that our answer down here is the same as the answer that we got on our double number line. So that's how you solve fraction division problems.